So we got a wig from UNice Hair. The inches is 24 inches. So this is the hair that they sent me, and I'm thinking about adding some color onto it because I'm not the type of girl that just be doing the plain Jane. We need to switch it up. So all right, y'all, so while we're waiting on the hair to get its color on, we're gonna prep my hair. My hair is already washed. Shout out to the girls that's out here capable of doing their own hair. I salute y'all. I'm in the crew. But baby, this part right here,
I need somebody to braid me up right now. Where's the braider? Call the braider. Somebody help me. Help me right now. I need a braider.
I went ahead and just got my hair prepared. I just did like a slick back ponytail. I'm just trying to just blow dry the perimeter of the hair. Excuse my blow dryer, y'all. I know my blow dryer is dirty. I work real hard. So sometimes, you know, my utensils do be a little bit, you know, dirty. So excuse that part, okay? So we're just gonna basically just blow dry the perimeter, make sure that everything is dry. Okay, so ladies, this is the color that I colored the wig into. I just wanted to give like fall vibes, so I did like a little color in the front, and then the rest is like a cognac color. What I'm gonna do is just spray the True Match in bronze on top of the lace before I apply my glue on my hair, just so it can dry while I'm doing what I need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wig onto my head, and I'm just gonna make sure that the glue is completely dry, and I'm just gonna melt that lace. One thing I can say, this lace is like hard to work with because some of the knots are on top of the lace. So that is like a factor that I did not like about this wig, because it's like it will never look as natural as I wanted it to be because of that issue. But besides that, I did pluck it as good as I can so that I can get like a proper like meltdown and also like a natural install look. I'm done installing the wig. I'm just gonna blow dry the hair out, and I'm just gonna go ahead and style the hair and put my baby hairs in the front. I'm thinking about doing like feathery baby hairs just so it can go a little bit more into the style that I want to put on. Right now I'm just parting down those sides, parting down that extra hair. I do leave a little bit of hair out because I have long sideburns, so I can go along with the hair that is left out. video is the baby hairs. I went along and just cut the baby hairs, and I'm just going to flip them over with the flat irons just to get like a curl pattern going so that it won't be so hard to flip that hair into the baby hair formation. Make sure you brush the hair back so none of the hair that's not supposed to be in the baby hairs get in the baby hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do that nice little swoop. Like I said, I want to like feather look baby hair. Like, that's what I'm shooting for, so that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, so I ended up adding like some curls into my hair, and I'm just gonna brush them out a little bit. As y'all can see, this is the final product of the UNice wig with the color. Something nice, simple, light. So this is the end result of my UNice 24-inch frontal wig. I hope y'all like the video. I absolutely love the outlook and everything. The color is amazing. UNice passed the color test because the hair is still bouncing back and doing what it needs to do after applying bleach and all the things that you need to apply when coloring your hair. So yes, I will most definitely recommend this hair for the girls. It does shed, but every hair sheds, so I mean, it's up to you, like if you want to, you know, play Russian roulette with hair, but every hair sheds. So as I stated earlier, I hope y'all like this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Love you. Bye.